Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Dhyan. So today in this particular video we shall be continuing and solving the questions relating to the simple interest. So in the previous class we have I think we have solved only 3 questions, right? So in this video we shall be continuing all the remaining questions. So let's have a look what was simple interest and what was the relation between the simple interest and amount and all those terms. Okay, so what was simple interest? Interest is a certain amount of money which we have to give to a money lender or a bank, okay, if we borrow money from them. It is their business, okay, it is their profit, without which they don't run that business. So without interest they don't run their business. So in the interest is of two types. One is compound interest and another is simple interest. So in class 7 we will discuss only simple interest. In the further classes we will discuss and solve the compound interest. Okay, so for finding simple interest we have I think 4 to 5 terms. Like one was A, that is amount, isn't it? And another was principal amount or sum. Another is for T, T for time, that is time period. Another is for R, R for rate of interest. Okay, so we have in the last class we came to know two rules. Okay, the two relations are, first one is A, that is the amount is what, P plus I. Okay, this A is amount, this P is principal amount, and this I is what, I is interest. Okay, and another was simple interest. Simple interest equals P into R into T divided by 100. This SI and this I is same. Okay, so you can write like this also, A equals P plus P into R into T divided by 100. You can write this one also, because this is interest and this is simple interest, these are same thing. Up to this clear? Okay, so now let's solve the remaining questions, and if you face doubt we'll that is if any new questions comes we'll discuss there. So here is the first question of our today's class, and the question is, find the principal when the amount is rupees 3600 and interest is 200. So very easy questions. Here it is given that we have to find the principal, and that is P, and where A is 3600 and I is 200. So we know a relation that is A equals P plus I, isn't it? So we with that relation we can easily find out this that is the answer of this solution. Okay, so answer of this question. So we'll write solution, then A equals rupees 3600, I equals rupees 200, isn't it? Now we know A equals P plus I. Okay, so value of A is what, rupees 3600. Value of P, that is find the principal, we have to find, so I'll write P plus I is what, rupees 200. Up to this clear? Very good. Now this is plus. Okay, this 200 is added with P, isn't it? So when you change the side it will be subtracted, that is it will be rupees 3600 minus 200 minus rupees 200. Up to this clear? Okay, equals P. Now 3 if we subtract it will be what, P will be rupees 3400. Up to this clear? So this is our required answer. So we'll write Therefore, the principal is rupees 3,400. I hope this is clear to you, right? Just know this relation and put the values according to the relation, and you can find any term. If it was given, that is find I, also we can find I. If A, find the value of A, we can easily find out the value of A, no problem. Okay, just you have to know the relation, and the main thing you have to know how to substitute and how to, that is, proceed the solutions. Okay, that is how to solve the equation. Clear? Very good. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 5. Okay, here question is, Harish borrowed rupees 15,000 from Subhash. Harish borrowed 15,000 from Subhash. Harish borrowed 15,000 from Subhash. Harish borrowed 15,000 from Subhash at 16% per annum. At 16% per annum for 3 into 1 by 2 years. 1/2 years. Okay, so here Harish borrowed 15,000 rupees from Subhash at the rate of 16 per annum for 3 into 1 by 2 years. Okay, find the interest and the amount paid by Harish to Subhash. Find the interest. Find the interest and the amount Harish paid to Subhash. Harish paid to Subhash. Okay, so this is the same questions of question number, supposed 2, you can say question number 2, question number 3. These are the same questions. Okay, just this is in the mixed fraction, nothing more different. Okay, that is the time period is in the mixed fraction. So here what is given? Look, Harish borrowed rupees 1,500. So this is what? This is P. Okay, this is P, and this is what? At a rate 16% per annum. So this is the rate of interest. Okay, and this is the time period. Now we have to find interest, that is SI. We have to find SI and the amount paid by Harish to the Subhash. So if we know the SI, we can know the what is the total amount that Harish has to pay to Subhash. So it will be A equals P plus I. Okay, so here P is here, and if we find I, we can find out the value of A, that is the amount he used to pay to Subhash. So first of all, let us find out the interest, that is how much interest Harish has to pay. Okay, so the relation of interest is what? SI equals P into R into T divided by 100, isn't it? Very good. So that's solution. Then P equals rupees 15,000. R equals 16%. T equals 3 1/2 years equals 3 2 into 3 6 6 plus 1 7/2 years. Up to this clear? Very good. Now we know SI, Sub Inspector of Police, P into R into T divided by 100, isn't it? So here P is 15000 into R is 16 into T is what? 7 divided by 2 or divided by 100. Okay. Okay. So this 20 cancel, or whatever you want to say. Now these 2 with 8 up to this, clear. So what left? 15 into 150 into 8 into 7, isn't it? 150 into 8 into 7, up to this, clear. What we have done, just we substitute the values in the equation. Okay. So here 158 into 7 is how much? 7 into 7 is 14 and 7 into 8 is 56. 56 into 15. Let's find out 56 into 15. Okay. 56 into 15. 5 into 6 is how much? 33. 5 into 5 is 25 plus 2, 3, 28. Then 6, 5, 0, 14, 1, 7. Sorry, 8. 8. 840, and of 150, this 0, this 0. So it is 8400. So we will write here it is rupees 8400. That is the interest. Okay. So here the interest is 8400. Now we have to find the amount paid. So now amount A equals P plus I. So the bill P is what? 15,000, isn't it? Rupees 15,000 plus 8,400. Now 15,000 plus 8. What? 15. 23,400. It will be rupees 23,400. Up to this, clear? What we have done? We have done nothing. Nothing or what? Yes, we have done something, but that was very easy, very interesting. Whatever you want to say. Here what we have written, P equals rupees 15,000, R equals 16, T equals this time period. We have converted this mixed fraction into the fraction. Okay. Then we know SI equals P into R into T divided by 100. What we have done here, we have substituted the values of P, R and T, isn't it? Okay. The T is what? 7 divided by 2, isn't it? So you can write like this also. Up to this, clear? Very good. So now after that we have what you want to say, that we have cancelled few numbers. So and the result came out 8,400. Okay. So this is the what? This result is SI, that is interest. Okay. Now in question we have that it is asked that how much Harish has to pay to Subhash, isn't it? So this amount we have to find the amount. So this is amount equals P plus interest. So principal is what this and interest is this, and the amount is 23,400. Up to this, clear? So we write therefore Harish or Subhash, Harish has to pay rupees 23,400. I hope you are cleared. Very good. So now let's move to the next question, that is question number 6. Surabhi deposited rupees 7,500 in a finance company which pays 15% per annum. Find the amount Surabhi is expected to get after 5 into 3 by 4 years. Okay. So here a girl named Surabhi, he has what? Paid or deposited 7,500. Okay. So he has paid 7,500 in a insurance company. Okay. Insurance company, he has paid such amount. Okay. Or deposited, you can say. Okay. Deposited. Now the insurance company assured Surabhi that they will give 15% commission. Okay, that is they will give 15% interest to her. Okay, now how much amount Surobi will get after 5 into 3 by 4 years? We have to find out. So it is the exact same question of the earlier one. So we can also easily find out the amount Surobi will get. Surobi is a what? For example, Surobi does not know how to read and write, so she called us, and we are we are helping her to find the amount which she will get after 5.5 into 3 by 4 years. So before solving the questions, let's write the question, isn't it? So the question is, Surobi deposited rupees 7,500 in a finance company. Surobi, S-U, what or S-U-R-A. S-U-R-A-B-H-I. Surobi deposited, D-E-P-O-S-I, D-P-O-S. Surobi deposited rupees 1,500, rupees 1,000, 7,500, 7,500 in a finance company which pays, in a finance, F-I-N-N-C, finance, P-A-N-Y company which pays 15%, which pays 15% per annum. That is, per annum means what? Per year. Okay, per annum. Okay, per annum. Then find the amount Surobi is expected to get. Find the amount Surobi is expected to get after 5 by 3 by 4 years. 3 by 4 years. Okay, so this is the question. So we'll write solution here. P equals rupees 7,500. Then R equals 15%. Then T equals 3 by 4 years. Up to this clear? Okay, this equals what? 5 into 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is what? 23 by 23 by 4 years. Okay, now we have to know the interest. Okay, because the after that years, the interest, the company, that is the finance company, will pay her principal along with the interest, isn't it? That is the amount the company have to pay. It includes principal as well as interest. Okay, so we will know, now we know SI equals P into R into T divided by 100. So here P is 7500 into R is 15 into T is what? 23 by 2 into 100. 00 cancel. Now we have to okay. So now let's multiply 23 into 15. How much? 23 into 15. 23 into 15. 5 into 3 is 15. 1, 2, 5 into 2 is 10. Plus 1, 11. Then 3 into 1 is 3. 2 into 2 is 2. So 5, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4, 2 plus 1, 3. 345. 345 into 75. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 into 7, 5. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25, huh? 25, remainder 2, 5 into 4 is 20, 22, 2, 5 into 3 is 15, 16, 17. Then 5 into 7 is how much? 35, 3. 4 into 7 is how much? 28, 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31, 3. Then 7 into 3 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24. So 5, 7, 8, 5, 2. Okay, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 2. So we'll write it 5, 7, shit man, what I am saying, what I am writing, 2, 5, 8, 7, 5 upon 2. Okay, now let's divide. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 1, 8, 2 into 9 is 18, 2 into 3 is 6, 1, 5, 1, 2 into 7 is 14.5. Okay, so this is the amount, this is the interest Surobi will get. So now we have to find the total amount that Surobi will get. Okay, so what is the total amount? Total amount is A equals, or we'll write here now, A equals P plus I. Okay, so what was P? P was 7,500 plus 12,937.5. Okay, so now if we add this one, 12,937.5 by 7500, so it will be 0.5, then 7, 3, 14, 10, 1, 2, it will be rupees 20437.5, that is rupees 20,437. Okay. Okay, so how is it possible that his interest is so high? Right? I think I have made something mistake. Let's check it. So here P is 7,500, rate R is 15,000, 15%, then T is 5 into 3 by 4 years. That is 4 into 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4 years. Okay, up to this to clear. Then we know SI equals P into R into T divided by 100. So P is 7,500, R is 15 and T is 23 by 2. Oh, sorry, here it will be 4. Okay, here it will be 23 by 4. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, 23 by 4. So here also it will be 4. So now its value will be changed. Okay, what I am doing today, always doing mistakes, huh? Something is going wrong with me, I hope. So look, now 23 divided by this one is how much? 23, 4 into 4 into 6, 4 into 6 is 24, 1, 8, 4 into 4 is 16, isn't it? Then 2, 7, 4 into 6 is how much? 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, then 3, 5, 4 into 9, 4 into 8 is 32, 32 and 35, then 3, 0, 4 into how much? 4 into 7 is 28.7, 28, then 2, 0, 4 into 5 is 20. If you divide this, you will get the result. Okay, now here the interest is 6,468.75. so if we add 6,468.75 with what is the principal amount? Here the principal amount is 7,500 divided by 6,468.75, so we'll get 0.75, 8, 6, 9, 13. So it will be rupees 13,968.75. So here it will be 6468.75. Okay, so here our new result is 13,968. Okay, 13,968.75, and so this is the amount which Surobi will get after these years. Okay, so you can write the conclusion line, therefore Surobi will get this amount. Okay, let's write therefore Surabi Surobi will get rupees 13,968.75. Okay, Surobi will get rupees 13 after 5 2 by 3 by 4 years. Okay, so Surobi will get how much? That is 13,968.75 rupees. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 7. Okay, so our next question is Priyanka deposited rupees 6,500 in the bank, which pays 15% per annum interest. She withdraw rupees 1,250 after the end of first year. What will she get after 3 years? Okay, so it is a bit different type of questions, but a easy one. I hope you will understand. If you understand this, you will be interested. Okay, you will be, that is, this is an interesting question. Okay, so here what is the difference? Look, this is the difference. She withdrew rupees 1,250 after the end of first year. That is, she is getting she has deposited 6,500 rupees, okay, for 3 years in a bank at an interest rate of 15% per annum. Okay, now before completing the term of her deposit, okay, before completing the term, she withdrew rupees 1,250 after the end of first year. So we have to now find what will be the amount she will get after the end of 3 years. Okay, so look at the board. Here solution, then P equals 6,500, then R equals 15%. Okay, now we will find interest after 1 year. Okay, interest after 1 year. Look why. First look at the board. INT earliest interest after 1 year. Interest after 1 year, that is SI will be what? P into R into T divided by 100. So here P is what? 6,500 into 15 into T is what? 1, because interest after 1 year, isn't it? Divided by 100. 00 cancel. 65 into 15. 65 into 15. 5 into 5 is 25. 2. 5 into 6 is 30. 32. Then 5, 6, 5, 7, 9. 975. 975. So now we will write amount of money after 1 year. Amount, that is A. Okay, amount of money after 1 year. Why we are finding this interest after for 1 year? Why? Because she has withdrew this rupees after 1 year, isn't it? Okay, look first. Let us write and then we'll discuss. So we'll write amount of money after 1 year equals P plus I. Okay, so here P was what? 6,500 plus I is 975. Okay, so 75, then 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. 1 7. 7,475. So after 1 year she had rupees 7,475 in her bank. Okay, now from this 7,475 she withdrew this amount. Okay, she withdrew 1,250. So we'll write since she withdrew rupees 1250 from bank. So the remaining balance equals rupees 7475 minus 1250. So it will be rupees 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, then 14 minus 2 is how much? 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is how much? 2, 7 minus 1 is 6. So after withdrawing rupees 1250 from the bank, she had rupees 6225 in the bank. Okay, so this 6225 in the bank will remain for 2 more years, isn't it? Now we will find, now we will consider this is our P. Okay, this is our P. Okay, let's forget this P. Okay, now our present P is how much? 6225, because this amount left, isn't it? Based on this amount, interest will increase, isn't it? Based on this amount, not that amount. Okay, because it has already 1 year gone, and after 1 year she had withdrawn some rupees, isn't it? Okay, so now our present P is how much? 6225. Mane kita hoto ফার্স্টে তো আসলো 6550 তার প্রিন্সিপাল, এরপরে ইন্টারেস্ট আসলো তা 15% তে 1 year. Okay, then so after 1 year she gets rupees how much? 7475. Okay, now from this 7475 she withdrew rupees 1250. So after withdrawing she left rupees 6225. Okay, so this money will be in her bank for 2 more years. Okay, so the bankers will give the interest based on this amount, not that previous amount. Okay, up to this clear? Very good. So now let's proceed. Okay, so now the interest of next 2 years. Okay, so we'll write now the interest for next 2 years. Years will be what? Next 2 years will be P into R into T divided by 100, isn't it? This is our the only relation to find interest. Okay, so here P is how much? 6225 into R is how much? R is 15 into T is what? 2 and upon 100. Okay, 00. Oh man, sorry. 100. Okay, so 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 50. Okay, 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 10 is how much? 50. Okay, now 5 into 2 is 10. So here 5 into 1 is 5, 1 to 5 into 2 is 10, 2 to 5 into 4 is 20, 2 5 into 5 is 25. So what left? 1245 into 3, 1245 into 3 equals 1245 into 3 upon 2. Okay, so let's multiply this first. 5 into 3 is how much? 5 into 3 is 15, 1, 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1, 13, 1, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 7, now 3 into 1 is 3, 3735 divided by 2. Okay, 3735 divided by 2. Now if we divide it with 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 7, 2 into 8 is 16, 1 3, 2 into 6 is 12, 1 5, 2 into 7 is 14.5. So this is the interest she will get for the next 2 years. Okay, this is the interest she will get for next 2 years. Okay, so we'll write therefore amount amount of money, therefore amount of money she will receive after 3 years equals what? This 6,275 plus 1867.5. okay, so it will be rupees 6225 plus 1867.5, it will be 0.5, then 5 plus 7 is how much? 14, 12, okay, 12, then 1, 6, 3, 9, 8, 10, 1, 6, 7, 8, okay, so it will be 8092.5. So after the end of the 3 year, she will receive 8092.5 rupees. I hope this is clear. What is the speciality in this question? Here it is given that after 1 year she had withdraw some amount. Okay, so what we have done, we have first find out the interest after 1 year. Okay, so interest after 1 year was something, isn't it? So we have added principal plus interest, so we have find out an amount. Okay, from this amount she withdraw a certain another amount, that is 1250. okay, from that amount she withdraw 1250. so after withdrawing she left rupees 6225. okay, 6225. Now the banker will give the interest for next 2 years based on this 6225, isn't it? Not based on that. okay, so the interest after 2 years is what? 1867.5 interest after 2 years. So she will get rupees that amount after the end of 3 years. okay, okay. So now remember one thing, in your book here rate of interest is 9. okay, rate of interest is 9, but I have written here 15. No problem, you can find out, you can solve this question with rate of interest 9. What thing you will do? Just you will replace here 15 with 9 and everything else is same. okay, so today let's end it here, and we'll solve the next questions in the remaining class. So before that, stay safe, stay blessed, tata, bye bye.